Hi friends, I am apologizing in advance for the blurriness during the flip through.
Hi friends, I'm so excited to do a flip through with you of a book that I recently made. It's the first book that I have ever sewn the signatures in, done the binding, all that good stuff. If you've seen some of my previous works, you would know that I have done many altered books, but I never had to sew the signatures into those. So this is the first one that I did. Here's the outside of the book. You can see there's 3 signatures there. You could probably tell this way also. Here's a front view. So let's get started with our flip through. This book is being given as a Mother's Day gift, and I feel really honored that somebody entrusted me with creating a gift for them. This is a tea-dyed paper. This is coffee and Easter egg dyed. This is also Easter egg dyed paper. I had done a video on that. If you hadn't seen it and you were interested, I did a video on coffee dyed, tea dyed, and Easter egg dyed paper. Got some cute little ribbon here with, it's kind of got like a little ball shape on it. I love it. It's so cute. I painted this over with some bronze paint, and I colored a doily. This I watered down some pink paint and just sprayed it over this doily here. Nice little journaling spot. This is the end of the first signature. This begins the second signature. Some coffee dyed paper. Nice big journaling spot here, and a small one here. Easter egg dyed paper. So I got this card. I turned it into some ephemera, but this is a time punch card, and I got this from Sherry at Turquoise Dreaming. I put a little piece of lace on it and using it for a journaling tuck on this page. Put a little ribbon here, and of course I colored a doily. Made this pocket out of some ribbon that I had. Added some journaling tucks in here. Nice big fluffy lace on this side. Love it. Easter egg dyed paper. Good for journaling, and I covered it with scraps from the calendar pieces that I'm using on the other pages. I had to trim it, so these are the trims. This is a card that I covered with decorative paper. Here I've attached an envelope and I've put some Easter egg dyed paper inside, actually some tea dyed paper as well for journaling. Some nice big lace here. The recipient's favorite color is red, so I wanted to make sure I got a few red pages in. So this is just a really cute page with red gingham, a couple of journaling cards, and a tea-dyed calendar from the past. And in here, this red envelope is some more tea and coffee dyed papers. Some of you might have seen me create this on my Craft Your Scraps video from a week or so ago. Some more tea dyed paper and a cute little ephemera here. Just a nice bold blue purple page. Of course, I used a window envelope for the journaling tucks, a little pocket there. Here I created a little book, and I just cut up a piece of notebook paper and attached it inside so that there's about, I think, 4 pages here that the person could journal on. Added some nice ribbon here. More of my favorite pink ribbon with these little, like a ball shape on it. I adore it. This is some coffee dyed paper. This was also a Craft Your Scraps item that I turned into ephemera journaling tuck. I created this page using a book page and then adding some decorative paper, and of course I made the pocket out of decorative paper as well. This page, I don't know why, I just felt like kind of leaving it as it was. I just, the colors are so intense, and so I just felt like I would do that. I put some stickers on this book page, and it's simple, but yet it has a nice impact. It's kind of neat looking. I did that on the other side as well. Here I have created a little pocket out of this gold ribbon, and then I added pink ribbon on top of that, and then like a little belt above it. This was also a Craft Your Scraps item here, and then some Easter egg dyed. And then here again, another book page, and I've embellished it with some scrapbook paper in the corners there. I got some bunny bags on clearance after Easter, so I cut one out and created a pocket out of it. This is coffee and tea dyed paper, and then I spritzed it with some rose gold watered down paint, and I absolutely love the outcome. I took an envelope and I cut the end off, and then I slid it over this one page, and so it created a nice double-sized envelope. I have some daisy ribbon here. This page I spritzed with like a silver, blackish silver paint, and I really like the way that came out too. Lots of big journaling tucks for this page. Over here is a little page and a spot for birthdays, events, and notes. And this is the very last page. And this is pretty cool because on this side I used paper and material and did a collage. And then I made a pocket out of paper and then just put a little bit of, journaling tucks inside the pocket. And then here's the back, and this is where I signed it. That's it. That's my book.
Again, I'm sorry about the blur, but if you enjoyed this video anyway, please smash that like button. Thanks for watching. See you soon.